Welcome to the Handwriting OT. Today we are going to learn how to make the capital letter R. R is a jump frog letter, and if you've been watching the videos, you're probably noticing a pattern. All of our jump frog letters start up here in the starting corner, and they go down, and then they jump back up to the top to make the next section. So today, for R, we need a big line, a little curve, and a little line. And we're going to start right up here in our starting corner, just like we always do. And we're going to have a big line down, jump frog, little curve, little line. And then we'll take our wet sponge and we'll start back up in the starting corner. Big line down, jump frog, little curve, little line. And then our paper towel. Back up in the starting corner, big line down, jump frog, little curve, little line. And then go back and practice again. We've got our chalk starting back up here in the starting corner. Big line down, jump frog, little curve, little line. Now, if you have students that have difficulty knowing kind of where to aim, you can add a little dot right there on the chalkboard on that edge wood piece to give them kind of a visual so that they know where they need to aim when they're making that little curve. We do also want to make sure that they don't pick up the chalk when they make the little curve and the little line together. We want to make sure that the chalk stays on the board to make one smooth motion. Subscribe to the Handwriting OT for more videos and tips, and we will see you soon.